point where we're beginning the final assembly of the pilot on locomotive 100. What we have done so far is we have attached the two angle irons permanently. They're secured in place now, and we're beginning to dry fit the triangle, which is the base of the pilot, so that we can scribe marks and bore the necessary holes. Shortly, we'll be bolting this in place, and then we can begin the process of bolting the individual teeth in place. So we're at the beginning of approximately, I'd say, a 3.5 to 4 hour process of final assembly on the pilot for car 100 on this end.
Great.
Okay, we're at the stage now where we're beginning to put the frame in place. We've got the T-frame bolted together. You may be able to tell that the bolts that are in place right now have not yet been painted. They'll be painted shortly as a preservative. The upright that you can see here has a hole down that's in place. And if you look at this one closely, this one that's in my hand is the original cast iron tie down from over 100 years ago. The threads on it had completely eroded away, and the threads had been welded on from a modern day bolt. Two new ones had to be fabricated because two of them had just completely and totally disappeared. But what happens now is we have the upright temporarily in place. We have the horizontal that's going to be going right here. And then once we have the horizontal secured in place with the lag bolts, then we begin the process of putting the teeth in place. And here we have the outside tooth right there. And then there are 7 more teeth that fit into this, and then the step is in the center. So the process is not rocket science, but it's very tedious and time consuming.